The demand for die casting is rapidly accelerating. It's no longer just about volume. It's about evolving applications across multiple industries. OEMs and tier suppliers are increasingly relying on die casting for complex, high-precision components that perfectly balance performance, weight, cost, and scalability. One of the key forces driving this surge is increasing product design complexity. Engineers are integrating more features into fewer, high-precision parts across many sectors. Lightweighting remains a top priority, extending beyond electric vehicles into material handling, power systems, and infrastructure components, all seeking better efficiency. Supply chain resilience is another major factor. Buyers are prioritizing manufacturing methods that offer repeatability, process control, and predictable quality to secure their sourcing strategies. Compared to other methods, die casting can significantly reduce downstream machining and minimize scrap, which translates to massive efficiencies and better cycle times. The clear takeaway is that die casting is a strategic enabler for modern product design, essential for effective cost control and scalable production across all major industries.